Okay, I'm gonna take out all that air.
Most of the air. Or a little bit of the air, at least.
I'm scared. No, because like this is like actually like really nice with the air.
Just take out a little bit.
This one's.
I kind of just want to take out a little bit of this air.
Me too.
Okay. Okay. So just gonna pull. And do not mess with needles.
Why are you holding them?
Because I am.
Okay, face it up.
Okay, well.
That was you. I'm scared.
Do you want me to do it?
No. Does it have air?
I did it to your last one as well.
Yeah,
If you want me to.
She did it to 2 of them.
Yes. Got a poke card.
Don't stop. You're like.
Got a poke card though. Yep, you're through. Full. That took out like no air.
I know. Now I know I can do it. Okay, put it down. Put it down, party
I found this
princess.
giant needle.
I did. It was on the floor. A little concerning. I think that goes with my crochet kit.
You mean my crochet kit?
Whatever. Okay, I didn't take any out because I was so scared. Stop. Okay, I'm trying to grab it, girl. Don't tell me.
Man,
Oh, I feel it.
I can see it. Okay. All the air.
Is that like enough?
Let me feel.
Feels pretty good.
Oh, that feels really nice.
Careful around the needle, bro. I feel like I should take a little bit more out. Cause like.
And you want to know? Some people use these giant thick needles.
Bro,
that's
somebody,
why it pops.
no,
out.
somebody was like, okay, I gotta do it faster. And then like,
And I think they use the thick needles.
No.
Because look, guys,
oh my gosh.
look at the size difference in these. This is the one that we're using. It's way thinner.
My camera too.
Oh, yeah. These are the ones that we're using. This one's the one that we're using. This is the one that we found.
Okay. Don't hold it. I like to pick it up. Whoa.
Hurry up.
Okay. I'm like shaking.
Careful.
Stop. Oh, I see the other hole, bro.
That's fine. It doesn't come out of the other hole.
I'm smelling the air. Stop.
Okay. Wait, let me feel it.
Not just my butter. Oh, I shake it.
Bye, guys.
Wait, no, wait.